how to change the Google keyboard vibration strength on Keypress on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down, and from here, tap on general management. Next, we scroll down and tap on keyboard list and default. Then we go down and tap on Gboard. Next, in here, we tap on preferences, then scroll down, and make sure you turn on haptic feedback on Keypress to be able to change the vibration strength. In here, tap on it and then drag on the slider bar to the left to decrease the strength, or to increase the strength, drag it to the right. So I'm going to change this to around 50%, and then tap on OK. Now if you go and open up your keyboard, you can see that every time you press on the key, your phone will gently vibrate. If you feel that the vibration is too strong, you can lower it down even further. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.